So for my first topic, I did the Punic Wars. The word Punic comes from the Latin word for Phoenician. There were three wars between Carthage known as the Punic Wars. The Punic Wars took place over almost a whole century. For the First Punic War, Rome had become the dominant power throughout the Italian peninsula by the time the First War started. When Rome obstructed in a controversy in Sicily, the First Punic War broke out. The war ended with Roman dominance of Carthage, and Sicily became Rome's first overseas province. In the Second Punic War, under the powerful general Hamilcar Barca, Carthage established a new base of influence in Spain. When Hamilcar died, his son, Hannibal, took full control of Carthaginian forces in Spain. Hannibal led his army into an Iberian city under Roman protection, declaring war on Rome. Hannibal's army consisted of 90,000 infantry, 12,000 cavalry, and many elephants. This army was extremely successful, winning victories over Roman troops. After many of these defeats, though, the Romans were able to rebound wins victories in Spain and Africa. The end to Carthage's empire in the western Mediterranean caused Rome to have control of Spain. Lastly, the Third Punic War was the most arguable between the three wars. The Romans captured and destroyed Carthage, turning Africa into another province of the Roman Empire.